Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching the video for the assignment of Introduction to Educational Sciences course given by Dr. Mustafa Özcan in the MEF University. I am an ELT student and this video is the reaction for the March of the Penguins documentary. And if penguins were humans, their lives would be absolutely different because we are hot, warm-blooded creatures and we could never survive in their cold environment. And also penguins, they have a routine life, like they're trying to find some food to eat, or like they're trying to protect their eggs, they're trying to make new lives, or they're trying to stay in the safe place. But humans are more complex creatures. Like we would look for some passion, we would look for some adventures. If penguins were humans, probably they would get jealous about the other penguins' wives or like their cars. Or we can say that we love to do shopping and penguins don't do that. They, I don't know, maybe they only exchange some rocks, but they don't go for shopping in a mall for hours. So their lives would be completely different. If we question what would be the penguins' journey if they were humans, we can say earn money, spend money, and die. Because, if we focus on the average human being's life, we can say that they born and they go to school, they got educated. After that, if they're lucky, they find a job, they find a wife, and then they get a house, they get a car, they pay some mortgage, they pay some debts, and then peacefully they can die. So, probably we say that if penguins were humans, they were going to have a family, they would live in a house, and then, they would get old from sickness or from the other reasons, they would die eventually. We come to the next question. It's time for the next question. If penguins were humans, how would they provide themselves security? We can say that if they were humans, probably they would have bigger arms and bigger legs, so they could use some fists or like kicks. But also, would consider that they were going to be able to make some stuff to fight with it. Maybe some guns, or they could find some bullets, or they could use some knife or anything to fight with because they would be stronger than the other penguins or like the normal penguins. And in addition to my last words, maybe if penguins were humans, they could build a set near the shore, so in this way they could protect themselves from the danger coming from the ocean. In this way, their beach, their sand would be safer from the anything coming from the ocean, anything dangerous. The last question. I really like this one because I feel cold easily. Like anytime, anywhere, when I'm with my friends, I'm the one who gets cold really easy. So I can understand this question. If penguins were humans, how could they protect themselves from the cold? Maybe they could use their old feather and they could make a blanket with it, or they could just hug each other and feel warmer. Or we will come to an old question that we talked about. Maybe they could use the shelter they built and they could get in it. So, in this way, they're not going to feel so cold. From this documentary, we understood that even penguins and humans are similar to each other. Like, life is a long journey. And in this journey, if you're strong, you can see the end of it. You can have a family, you can have some babies, you can have a long, fulfilling life. But if you're weak, probably you're never going to see the end, just like the penguins.